my J babes, yes, it's me. I'm back again with another makeup video. So for today, I will be showing you how to create this Kylie Jenner inspired teal and pink makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy. First, I am starting off with priming my face with e.l.f. Cosmetics Poreless Putty Primer. This primer is super affordable and it has a very creamy and soft texture to it. So when you apply it onto your face, it does not feel heavy and it blends very well. So my eyebrows were done off camera, but just in case you guys were wondering what products I use, I actually use Benefit Cosmetics Brow Contour Pro. Okay, so now with foundation, I am using Too Faced Cosmetics Do You Full Coverage Foundation in shade Vanilla. This foundation actually feels very nice on my skin and it smells so good. I will be using BH Cosmetics brush to apply the foundation evenly, then using Real Techniques Beauty Blender and blending out everything. Real Technique has a lot of amazing products. I truly love their brushes and beauty blender. It's very soft and it blends my makeup so well. I will 100% recommend this product to you guys. Isn't Jaclyn Hill's Morphe palette so pretty? This is a Dark Magic palette and I am so in love. I'm usually not a fan when it comes to green shades, but somehow this palette gave me a different vibe, so I had to get it. So first, I will be applying shade Inside Job around my brow bone. Then I am slowly blending it out evenly. Now I am using a small flat brush and applying Huda Beauty's Overachiever Concealer to create a cut crease. Cut crease looks can be challenging at times, so it's okay if you messed up the first few times. Practice always makes perfect. Don't you guys think this BH Cosmetics Color Festival palette gives you that rave EDM party vibe? Like, look at their shades, it's so cute. Now I am applying shade Haze onto my eyelids. On top of that, I will be applying shade Disco for that shimmer effect. Going back in again with shade Inside Job from Jaclyn Hill's Morphe palette. We can't forget our sharp wing. I am using Kiko Milano's gel eyeliner to create a sharp and dark wing. The gel is so smooth and easy to use. The products are at decent price and I just feel like it's so underrated for some reason. Slow and steady does the job, guys, so take your time and just slowly create that perfect wing for yourself. So for this look, I will be using Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer to contour my face. I cannot tell you guys how much I enjoy using this bronzer. I love it so much and I feel like it never seems to disappoint me. leftover Overachiever Concealer from Huda's Beauty, I will be applying it under my eyes to cover up my flaws. Now with Shade Groove, I am going to apply it around the bottom of my eyes. BH Cosmetics palettes are nice. Their shades are very pigmented and prices are pretty decent. So e.l.f. Cosmetics has this new blush and highlighter duo mini palette, and I think it's a win. Perfect for travel and all your needs in one. Blush, then some highlighter, and you're set. For my lips, I am using Kylie Cosmetics gloss in shade So Cute. After applying the gloss, I am going to go over it with Theodore's Beauty's gloss to add that extra shimmer effect. Theodore Beauty has really cute glosses and their packaging is an obsession. Please check them out when you guys get the chance. They're amazing. Setting my face with Morphe setting spray, and that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. You guys are amazing. I am so sorry for not posting lately. Please stay tuned for my upcoming giveaway, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, please don't forget to follow me on my social media. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.